All right, let's explore the filter gallery. It's a really fun option to have a lot of different effects on typography. So the first step is we're going to go ahead and open up a new document. So I'm going to go File, New. I want you to make a 800 pixel wide by 800 pixel high image, 72 resolution, and let's go ahead and make it an RGB color mode. Click Create. The next thing that you need to do is you need to make sure for this effect that we're going to be working with in this tutorial. In your tool panel, you can see right now my foreground and background are like a pink and a white. I want you to go ahead and make them the default, which is black and white. And you can quickly make it a default by clicking on a little tiny version of the foreground and background squares above the bigger one. So if I just click on this, it changes it to foreground black, background white. So this is the default. So make sure you have this set before we keep going. Otherwise, the effect's going to be a little bit different. Then we're going to go ahead and select our type tool. And we're going to write the type Neon Glow. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and make this type a lot smaller. Got to select it, I guess. Gonna well, something else I kind of want to show you is you can change the type by highlighting it and kind of guessing, like say I want to make it 150 point. But another way that you can easily change type is going up to Edit, Transform, Scale, and you can change your type this way too if you want to kind of do it visually. And notice that it's gonna when I hit confirm the transformation and hit my type tool again, it has adjusted the point size. It's made it like 118.94, which is kind of funny. Maybe I'll make it 120 point just to round it up. All right, so in my layers panel, I now have a type layer that says Neon Glow, and I have a background locked layer. And for this exercise, the way that this filter works best is by merging. We're going to go ahead and merge the type layer with the background layer. And a quick way that you can do that is by pressing Command E on your keyboard. So go ahead and hit Command E. And it's merged it into a new locked background layer, which is perfect for this. All right, so I've merged by hitting Command E. And the next thing that I want you to do is open up our filter gallery. So the filter gallery is under Filter, Filter Gallery, right here. Make sure that you don't hit this first option. It's just pulling up the last kind of effect that I made. So you want to go a little bit lower and actually open up the filter gallery, which you'll see here in a minute. All right, so the filter gallery is so fun. There's tons of different folders. There's artistic, brushstrokes, distort, sketch, stylize, texture. There's tons of options in here. Dry brush, and you can kind of click around and experiment with them and see what they look like. The one that I want you to select for this exercise is Neon Glow. And once you select Neon Glow, you'll see that it fills the background with this black from our foreground color. And then the glow size can be changed really easily. You can change, maybe I'll make it yellow. So this is the new color. I'm going to click OK. So I've got a nice yellow, and then you can play around with the glow size and the glow brightness. Let's see. And you just click OK to complete the effect. And you've got this nice neon glow background layer. And of course, you can unlock it if you want, and you can move it around or crop it if you wanted to. So go ahead and explore the filter gallery a little bit more. So if you go up to filter, remember filter gallery, you want to go low. Go ahead and play around with a couple different options. See what else you can get in here. yeah, there's lots of different, let me go back to neon. I like my good old neon glow. Yeah, so filter gallery, great option for exploring.